Welcome to our video on 10 Facts About Tornadoes. Tornadoes are one of nature's most awe-inspiring and destructive phenomena, and understanding them is crucial for safety and preparedness. In this video, we'll explore the formation process of these powerful storms, their wind speeds, and how they are rated. We'll also look into geographical distribution, duration, and path length, as well as the frequency at which they occur. Finally, we'll cover important safety tips and debunk some common myths about tornadoes. Let's dive in. 1. Formation process. Tornadoes are nature's dramatic whirlwind, born from a complex dance of atmospheric conditions. They form when warm, moist air from the surface meets cold, dry air higher up in the atmosphere. This mix creates an unstable environment, perfect for thunderstorms. But not all thunderstorms birth tornadoes. For a tornado to develop, there must be specific wind patterns, leading to rotating columns of air. Imagine spinning a coin on a table. It takes just the right flick to get it twirling. Similarly, tornadoes need just the right conditions to spin into existence, their powerful presence both mesmerizing and terrifying. 2. Wind speed. The winds of a tornado are like the hands of a clock, rapidly ticking away with fierce intensity. Tornadoes can produce wind speeds that range from a gentle 65 miles per hour, 105 km per hour, to a destructive 300 miles per hour, 480 km per hour, or more. The most powerful tornadoes, classified as EF5 on the enhanced Fujita scale, can have winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, 320 km per hour. At these speeds, even the sturdiest of structures can be reduced to rubble. Picture a freight train barreling down a track. The speed and force are tremendous, and in the case of tornadoes, they leave a path of destruction in their wake. 3. Tornado rating. Tornadoes are classified by strength, much like how we measure the intensity of earthquakes or hurricanes. The enhanced Fujita (EF) scale rates tornadoes from EF0, which are the weakest, to EF5, the strongest. This scale is based on the estimated wind speeds and the damage caused by the tornado. An EF0 might only cause minor roof damage, while an EF5 can level entire neighborhoods. It's like comparing a gentle breeze to a powerful hurricane. Both are winds, but the force and impact are worlds apart. 4. Geographical distribution. Tornadoes are not evenly spread across the globe. They have their favorite haunts. The United States, particularly the central region known as Tornado Alley, is a hotspot for these twisters. This area includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and South Dakota. Here, warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico meets the cold, dry air from the Rocky Mountains, creating the perfect storm conditions. It's like a meeting point for two opposing weather fronts, resulting in frequent tornado activity. While other countries like Canada and Bangladesh also experience tornadoes, the frequency and intensity in the US are unmatched. 5. Tornado duration. Tornadoes are often fleeting visitors, with many lasting only a few minutes. The average lifespan of a tornado is about 10 minutes, but some can linger longer. These rare, powerful tornadoes can remain on the ground for over an hour, covering vast distances. It's like watching a dramatic play unfold quickly, each moment packed with intensity. While their duration is brief, the impact of these twisters can be long-lasting, leaving behind stories of survival and resilience. 6. Path length. The journey of a tornado is unpredictable, much like a wanderer without a map. Some tornadoes travel just a few miles, while others, like the infamous 2011 Joplin tornado, can carve a path over 50 miles, 80 kilometers, long. Picture a zigzagging line across a map. That's the erratic path a tornado might take. The length of a tornado's path can vary significantly, influenced by the storm's rotation and environmental factors. Regardless of the distance traveled, the path left behind is often a stark reminder of nature's power. 7. Frequency. The United States holds the title for the highest frequency of tornadoes, with around 1,000 occurring annually. This makes tornadoes a common occurrence, particularly in the spring and early summer months. Other countries experience tornadoes too, but not with the same regularity. It's like comparing a bustling city to a quiet town. Tornadoes are the frequent visitors in the US, while other places see them less often. This high frequency requires constant preparedness and awareness to ensure safety. 8. Tornado safety. When a tornado approaches, safety becomes the top priority. The safest place to be is in a basement or storm shelter, providing the most protection from flying debris and strong winds. If these aren't available, a small, windowless interior room on the lowest level of your home is the next best option. It's crucial to avoid seeking shelter under bridges, as they can amplify wind speeds and increase debris risks. Think of it like finding the safest corner in a storm. Minimizing exposure to danger is key to staying safe. 9. Tornadoes and hail. Tornadoes and hail are often partners in crime, both products of severe thunderstorms. Hailstones, varying in size from small pebbles to large golf balls or even softballs, can accompany tornadoes, adding to the damage. Imagine a cascade of icy stones falling from the sky, each capable of causing significant harm. While the focus is often on the tornado itself, hail can also lead to substantial property damage and pose risks to personal safety. 10. Tornado myths. Tornadoes have inspired a myriad of myths and misconceptions. One common myth is the belief that opening windows before a tornado can reduce damage, which is false. Another misconception is that tornadoes always travel from the southwest to the northeast, but in reality, they can move in any direction. It's like assuming every storm follows the same path. Each tornado is unique, with its own trajectory and behavior. Dispelling these myths is vital for accurate understanding and effective preparedness.